Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and eye-catchy and easy at the same time because the whole video contains beautiful, stylish, trendy and amazing design patterns that are only revolving around one simple and easiest embroidery stitch in the whole world. That is a very user-friendly beginner lover stitch. Yes friends, you have got me right. And this embroidery stitch is lazy daisy stitch or lazy daisy or as a lazy stitch, because you can make this stitch lazily by following a single knotty touch. You can make the whole flower by using this embroidery pattern, and you will take a few minutes to embroider the whole design idea and the whole neckline pattern of this stitch base. This is the easiest stitch, guys, believe me, and if you give a focused attention of one sitting, you can make the whole neckline pattern and you can design your dresses like cardigans, ponchos, sweaters as well. You can make these patterns onto your sweatshirts, t-shirts, onto your summer dresses, onto your beach dresses, onto your eastern as well as onto your western dresses, onto your kurtis, shirts, kameez, gowns, frocks, maxi dress as well. So I hope that you like my today's ideas, and then don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming new videos.